Hey, Mnisi is missing. Uchachata is tired, and Advocate Baloyi was telling us about photo bombs. Family Advocate Mnisi was no show. We know where he went. We read the SMS. Actually, we had the judge reading the WhatsApp message or SMS, I don't know, or it was an email, but we saw him reading it and he was not impressed about that. And Judge Rata turned the courtroom into a history class. So Ubaloyi showed us more photos, that have three versions. One photo, three versions. The dreadlocks, the gold tooth, and the clothing. I don't know. Maybe that's what the three versions contain. We don't know. But yeah, that's what happened today in court. The court opened, but guess who didn't walk in? Advocate Mnisi. Yes, he's representing accused 1 and accused 3, as we know. And I'm not guessing, he went to the Comrades Marathon. Attorney Ramsipula stood in for him. And yes, that is what we got today. So let's talk about the photo drama. The photos and the 19 photos and a gold tooth. So what's with these photos? Ubaloyi and the state are asking, actually Ubaloyi, the state is asking the court to allow them to reopen this case and just bring additional photos. And why now? The question is why now? Because during cross-examination of Brigadier Gininda, the accused appearance became a whole thing. So we need to revisit and that appearance thing, and we need to just put a nail on it. So what kind of photos are this? Accused 3, one picture, like I said, has 3 versions. They zoom in on the things like the gold tooth. Yep, I'm not kidding. So this needs to be fixed. So yeah, this is one of the things that are going to be talked about about that photo. Accused number 2, more pictures now relevant because of how the cross-examination was played out. Accused 1, the state wants to back up previous testimony with additional visuals. That is why we are bringing back these photos. So these photos all come with a massive pile, over 5,000 photos that